Hey guys, I'm sure you're clicking on this video wondering, oh my gosh, she actually uploaded. Well, I just wanted to upload a video to explain what's been going on and why I haven't been uploading, and just a thank you for 100,000 subscribers since we recently just passed that milestone. So let me get right into it. First of all, I started this channel about 4 years ago in January, back in lockdown when COVID-19 was thriving. I really never imagined it getting to this point. If you would have told me 4 years ago that I would be at 100,000 subscribers now, I would be freaked out. I think back in January where I started, I think my goal was 20,000. So showing me 4 years ago 100,000 would have been crazy, and I just want to thank you guys all for your support, and it means so much to me. My channel first started off as just doing tech videos, because when I started I kind of had an idea of what I wanted to do. So if you go back to my first videos, it's just random tech videos that I thought were cool. They never really performed very well, but it was in the tech category and I thought it was cool. So that was just my starting point. So where I started my videos about Chromebooks and how schools issue them to students, and how I make videos on how to get around bypasses and all sorts of stuff like that. What it originally started out is my dad gave me his old work laptop, which was a Google Pixel book, which is basically a nicer word for a Chromebook. It was, at the time, it was a nicer version of the Chromebook. And of course now there are way better Chromebooks than the Pixel book that came out, but it was a nice Chromebook for the time, and that's all I had to use. And when I first got it, I realized how much different it was from the MacBook my other parents had, and how limited it was, and how you could do nothing on it basically, and how it was just meant for web browsing and basic tasks. So I began researching ways on how to play games on it, and just get more usage out of the Chromebook that it doesn't come with by itself. And then from that idea branched probably hundreds of videos, and with the help of your guys' suggestions and which videos perform better than others, it just helped me just build and build and build on those videos. And that's basically what makes the channel I've had today. And now here's where I want to acknowledge the gap in between my content and why I haven't been uploading for so long. So basically what went down is it was kind of hard having to maintain all these things, my Discord, my channel, and keeping up with everything, and it was taking away time from other things that I like to do. So I kind of just stopped, and I guess I just got out of the routine of doing it. And since then, it's been pretty good. I've had a couple jobs, a lot of things have happened. I've picked up new hobbies, getting really into film and music, and overall just enjoying my time, not really doing YouTube. There's no big reason why I stopped or anything like that. I would just say just a break, just to enjoy other things and such. And to make this boring video more interesting, I would like to put up some conspiracies that have been commented and that I've noticed across Discord and YouTube, that people have, accused me of why I've been quitting. I don't know how to word that right. But I've just looked at Discord and YouTube comments from time to time, and I just see pretty wild accusations on why people say I've quit. So here's some of them. We had someone comment under the name of Philly saying, "We want a video proving you're not dead." And they call me AO, replied with, "Exactly." And we had another person comment, "What happened to bro?" We had someone comment, "Sadly, he has passed away." And then the same guy replied with, "He hasn't." And then someone else replied with, "Yes, he was found by his parents at his desk." Which is not true at all, because I'm making this video. And someone commented on one of my videos, "I subscribed and smashed that like button. Reels, now Gib shout out." And then someone replied with, he can't." And then someone else commented, I have a rumor, probably believing that Irwin got in trouble for these videos he made. And then someone commented in all caps, he's. And we had another person comment, RIP, we miss you, man. Someone replied, what happened to him? And then the same person replied with, he passed away. Someone else commented, he tragically died in a RIP. Someone replied with, what, he? Then the other person replied with, yes. I did not tragically die in a. So those are most of the ones that I found, but if I find any more while editing this video, I'll put them up on the screen right now. But yeah, just disproving all of those, not or anything like that. There's no big reason why I stopped uploading. It was just needed a break and, time to myself, I guess you could say that. I just want to thank you guys again for all the support you've shown me. Being able to reach 100,000 subscribers is actually crazy, and most people never hit that milestone, so I'm not just going to disregard that and not be grateful. So I'm very grateful for all of you guys and all of you that support my channel, and hopefully I'll get to see you guys soon with some new videos, and thank you so much.